What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, it means a soldier or a warrior.
And what is the meaning of Mujahideen?
A mujahid is a person who fight for the religious cause. It's also a soldier. But Junaid particularly is the soldier. He has to fight the evils which is within himself. That's what Junaid means.
And what is the meaning of jihad?
Jihad is fighting for the right cause. And in the general parlance, this term has got a bad name, because jihad particularly is about this thing only. The bad things which are there within you, you have to fight with them. And then the other part is there, that if something wrong is there happening, you have to stand against that also.
Recently, there has also been some controversy about the spelling of the word Ramzan, and nowadays it is being written as Ramadan. So what is the difference, and why is it, which is the correct pronunciation?
Sir, it is about the Saudi influence, because of which this word is being changed into Ramadan. Indian Muslims, they have a very different culture which has evolved here in India only. But now when influence of Wahhabism and Saudian influence is coming up, because of that these small things are coming up. It is about the pronunciation, how we pronounce these words. There they say it Ramadan and we call it Ramadan.
And Ramzan also has some Persian influence?
Sorry sir.
Okay. Tell me, like in a democracy, it is said that it is a rule of the majority, but it is also said that democracy also means respecting the minority rights. So if one has to choose between the two, what will you choose?
Sir, I'll say it's not a binary that what we have to choose. If we see our constitution, the fundamental rights which are given, they give rights to every individual, every section of society. Minorities, Article 26 to 31 is there, so that certain rights of them could be protected. And along with that, the rights for every individual is there from Article 14 to 23, 24. So we cannot say that what can be selected in between two. Both of them are equally important.
It is said that intolerance is rising in India. So do you think we should have tolerance for intolerance or intolerance for intolerance?
I'll say there should be acceptance. Intolerance happens when one idea is not being accepted by the other person, or because of the ignorance of the other person. I think there should be a platform wherein these ideas should be brought in and let people decide what is the right thing. If there is no communication between the communities, there is no platform to say what they really feel about the other community or the person, that creates problem. So if we can give platform, then these